Hello from Afghanistan. This is what I get. Mayfair. Oh yeah! Woo! Love it. I'm on the internets. Party boys. Party girls. Come on. Love it. Yeah. So you'll see me streaking in the parking lot in Afghanistan soon enough. Why not? It's been, I'm in my 40s, so been through many days of misery. I'm surprised these people aren't going nuts. Give them a couple hours. But, yeah. Great night, great Birds victory. Oh my God, I sweated it till the end. Tom Brady, yeah. You can't say much for him. I mean, obviously he's a stud. He did it till the end, and then he got hammered by my boys. But he did a good job. Holy shit, it was a great game, though. Look at this. I'm surprised the city's not on fire yet. Well, you know what? I don't expect it to be on fire. It's passion. We're talking passion here. We're talking love. Love for a team that everybody's struggled through this years. Ask my wife. Oh my God. She's ready to kick my ass many a time when I was throwing shit at my TV or no explanation needed. Oh my God. This is awesome though. So, Fly Eagles Fly. EAGLES. Wow. I'll show you the video when I'm overseas of me kicking ass. It was awesome. Semper Fi to the Marines. I was with Eric and my boys. Slasha. Look at that. That's money. Let's just focus on this for a little bit. This is my room, by the way. Nice. Can't complain. I got a little shower in there, so it's not too bad. I'm surprised nobody's get up that. Yeah, this guy's trying to get up here. Let's focus on that guy right there. Hold on, I'll figure this out. No, they changed it. Of course they changed it. Weak. That was weak. What? Alright. This is no volume on this one, but little Randall jersey there, nice. Tell you what, defensively, I don't know who to give praise to this game. It's tough. Nick Foles, Nick Foles, Alshon, Aguilar is it. Ajayi, yeah, I gotta give him a little praise too. But Nick Foles really, and Doug Peterson, what a game. What a game call by him. Unbelievable. That's all I can say, really. I mean, shit. Oh my God, what a fucking day. It's awesome. Wow. Breathed it in. I wish I was with you guys. You know, look at that. Fans celebrate Super Bowl win. What a day. Look at that. Look at that. What is this guy doing? Yeah. Oh, there's a sign. Somebody snagged a sign. I mean, come on. We're not as bad as Vancouver. Vancouver lights the fucking place on fire. There might be a fire there, but Vancouver, if they lose, they light it on fire. Nobody's gonna light this shit on fire in Philly. It's all about party. It's all about celebration. Shopper 6. Light it up. Look at that shit. Imagine this parade Wednesday. I wish I was home. I was there for the Phillies parade. Look at that money. That's money. I had a few drinks tonight, yeah. As a deployed dude who works 12-hour days, you know what? Season ticket holder, my wife will tell you. She said, honey, drink it up. You deserve it. So look at these fans, the passion there. Let's do this. I kept saying that during the game. Let's do this. Come on. And we did it. Money. I'm glad you guys are partying out there. Little firework. Nice. This place is going to be nuts on Wednesday. I can go ahead and say it. Fuck you, Brady. Fuck you, Gronk. Gronk lit it up third quarter. I tell you what, I was scared. Look at that. That's fans partying. There's no fucking violence. Just having a good time. Look at him. Holy shit. I wish I was there. Nice party. God damn. I wish I was there. Nice. Center City. Let's go to South and Broad. Come on, South. Let's go. Broad Street. By fucking the stadium. Let's do it. So nice being a champ. Fuck you, Giants. Fuck you, Redskins. Fuck you, Cowboys. No more. No more bullshit. You got a drone here or something? I don't know. Oh, it's a helicopter. Alright, focus on the fucking city, helicopter. Yeah, it's great. Your little red light. Come on, pan down. Focus. Come on. There you go. Mayfair. Back to Mayfair. Beautiful. This is to TJ and Dean. My boys. Recently passed away. Big Eagles fans. I love you. I was thinking about you tonight. Zoom. That was not me. That was the fucking camera. What a day. What a fucking day. There it is, Center City. I'm about to order some shit online. I know, I'm not a big fan of ordering divisional champs or you know, I don't order that garbage. I'm not ordering fucking, we won this or that. It's like 4th and 26. Nobody gives a shit. Win a championship, and then I'll order. So I'm about to order some stuff. So I'm excited. Uncle Mike, Uncle Pete. Yo, I know you guys at Murrayfields or Mollyfields or Mulligans. Thinking about you tonight. Love you. This is big. Look at that party. Damn it, I wish it was there. fucking beautiful. That's beauty right there. Next year I'm going to, I'm going to fucking England for the fucking overseas trip against the fucking Jags. Green Legion. I already put my deposit down, so I'm excited about that. It'll be fun. Me and the wifey. Oh, look at this shit. Beautiful. There's a Wawa. Hey, we got a Wawa. Look at that Wawa. They deserve fucking some props because they fed my ass. Wawa fed my ass many a time. The past 20 years, 15, 20 years, tailgating. I always stopped at Wawa. Get me a little quick hoagie. They're not the best hoagies, but they're good hoagies. And brought it to the tailgate. So yeah, props to Wawa. You know, love you. Your pretzels suck, though. You gotta get rid of those fucking pretzels. What's going on here? I don't know what the fuck that is going on there. It's just Center City, but just people hanging, I guess. Yeah, that's nice. Oh, what was that about? I don't know. Holy shit, we won. Fuck. Yeah. I can't believe it myself. It's my son. You guys gotta check my son fucking. I mean, he is diehard Eagles. I don't know if it's blood. It's gotta be blood because he plays hockey for Kingston. Oops, sorry. Or Kingsway. It's Kingston. And he's got passion, but his football passion is hilarious. He just, I don't know. I don't even want to bring it up. He's just awesome. Let me tap on the screen here because the passion there is right there in the center. There's that Wawa. Let's turn the volume up. Fuck it. That's what we get. I can't really hear shit. There you go.
Yes, friends, this is Eagles Nation tonight. A very happy, celebratory crowd. It looks like you're going to be here for a while, Jim.
Really? Thanks. What a fucking day. Eagles fly on the road to victory. Wow, nice. Beautiful. That was beauty right there, folks. Shit's gonna get worse than from here, which is good. People always give a shit about, oh my god, they light the fucking city on fire. Bullshit. It's all about passion. We don't light our city on fire. We light our city on fucking love. It's all about love. Everybody's hugging each other right now. You know? I don't even want to get into it. It's not about fire. We don't do that when we fucking love. You know, I don't want to get into it, but it's passion. Look at that. There's no fires. There's no bullshit. The only reason why we threw fucking shit at the Minnesota Vikings is because they were there. They deserve that. Tom Brady. Fuck Tom Brady. Fuck. He actually had a great game. I gotta say, Brady scared me there in the third quarter. He looked, him and Gronk, they talked during halftime. Holy shit. Schwartz really got me upset because he did not. It was he was putting 4 guys in. Good for him, but I wanted 5. I wanted to, 1 guy off the edge, and he didn't do it. But in the end, fuck. That one play, that's all it took. It was beautiful. We're going to win 3 more with fucking Wentz, by the way. This team is on it. I'm telling you, they're about ready to run for fucking 4 in a row. I'm serious. No shit. No shit. They're going to run for 4 in a row. This is 4 fucking Super Bowls in a row. Easily. They got the NFC East locked up next year. Fuck. It's gonna be a great year next year. But fuck next year. Let's talk about this year. What a year. I mean, you guys know. Wentz goes down against the Rams. Foles comes in, wins that game, but then he little stumble for the next couple of games. I mean, we already had the division locked up, which was great. It was like a decoy. Kind of a way, Foles had the fucking division locked up. Everybody really didn't give a shit about playing the next 2 games. And yeah, went to the playoffs in Atlanta. I mean, they had a game, and then they fucking blew it. Maniac, let's do this. Get loud. And Minnesota, what a game, Minnesota game. The crowd got loud, and that was it. Patrick Robinson, beautiful. You guys know the rest of the story. This shit's gonna be nasty on Wednesday. I feel like I'm peeking up. There you go. Nice Eagles champ. Beautiful. Look at that. That's serenity right there. It's heaven. I wish I was there. I'm overseas in Afghanistan, so I'm obviously not there. I would be there, but party on, boys and girls. I know the passion with the women as well. Eagles fans, I have so many friends that are women that love Eagles. It's awesome to see this. Shit's nuts. Listen to that shit. Beauty. On the beautiful island of Mayfair. Extreme zoom on some bearded fella. Come on, turn the fucking volume up on fucking Center City. This is where the party's at. I can hear the fucking Eagles chants. soaking in. I want to hear these people that work for 6 ABC. I don't know what they're saying, but somebody's not breathing. Like, yeah, shenanigans. There you go. There we go. Real party. Look at that shit. Nasty. Mayfair. Nicely done. I was there in 08 when the Phils won. I was right outside the stadium, actually. It's awesome. This is about what I saw. It's beautiful. But nothing compares to the Birds. Birds winning this fucking championship. I wish I was home. Who cares about Center City? Let's get back to the action. And everybody's just moseying around. Yeah, we know. What a fucking game, though. Jesus Christ, I was nervous. I'm still getting over that fucking game. But Nick Foles, Jesus Christ, what a game. Let me focus on these boys here with the American flag. If I can do that. They're over here somewhere. Where are they at? Where are they at? There they go. They're like escaping out that way at the flag. That's beautiful. Nicely done, boys. 2 American flags, actually. That's passion right there. It's fucking patriotism. Oh, shit, sorry. Let's keep it here. See what else we got. What else we got? This guy here. Let's focus on this guy. Bright Wentz shirt right there. It's a nice bright Wentz shirt. Look at that guy. Beautiful. What else we got? Yeah, besides that, yeah, party. Have fun, boys and girls. Look at that. That's beautiful. Wawa. Meatballs. Wawa meatballs aren't bad. Not bad. But their fucking pretzels are horrible. Soft pretzels, Wawa. Come on, really? Cardboard. I want to hear these fuckers. What are they saying? Some whiny bitch. I'm so cold. Like works for fucking 6 ABC. Shut the fuck up. Enjoy the fucking show. I'm so cold. You're probably hot and every fucking guy hits on you, you get laid. Story of your life, right? But you're a retard. Pardon. I didn't mean to say that. You're a dumbass. And they break up with you a week later. Come on. What did you say? This is like... Damn it. I missed what he said. So, yeah. I'm going to sign off soon.
Okay.
Okay? Thanks. Appreciate it. And you pay me? No, I guess not. But, yeah. Oh, what do we got here? This must be the retard. I mean, the dumbass. Doesn't know fucking know one player on the team. Say something there, Bright Eyes. Come on. No, that's what I thought. So anyways. I'm signing off soon. Love you guys. This is the best night of my life. Greatest night of my life. To my wife and kids, Chase, Hayden, and my wife Kim. Wow. She knows. They don't really know, but she knows. I mean, I've thrown fake bricks at TVs before. That Tampa game. Carolina. That Patriots game. Last time we played them. Donnie Mack. Come on, Donnie. Speak up, you piece of shit. Doug Peterson. Love you. You're the man right now. Wow. What a fucking game you called. And Tom Brady. Yeah. Great game, too. Fucking Tom Brady. Great game. I give him props. Jim Schwartz, fourth quarter. The way to step it up. But, Philadelphia. Passion. Love it. Love it. Those TJ, fucking Dean, my boys, who are Eagles fans. Dean, Dean is a Saints fan, but he rooted for me. He watched. He had a great seat tonight. They passed away recently. Wow, what a fucking game tonight. Not much else I can say. I called a few people tonight. Said I love them. And, what else am I going to say? Fucking birds. EGLES. Birds. Eagles. What a year. And I expect the same shit next year. What a year next year. I mean, fuck. Minnesota's on the schedule too. That's gonna be a good one. Can't wait for the fucking Vikings to come. They're actually we're hosting the Vikings next year, so that'll be good. I'm looking forward to that. But anyways, look at these folks. I would be there with you. I'm in Afghanistan. Can't do it. And yeah, what a night. If you look, I'm getting naked. I got naked earlier, so I'm an Irish Catholic, so not really. Girls, don't worry about it. It's like, the average. I'm the average guy. So, anyways, look at that, beautiful. Let me switch. Hopefully, they switch it back to Mayfair. Let's see what they do. Because this is all like nobody gives a shit about Center City. All right. Look at that, like a headlight. There we go. Finally, Philadelphia Eagles win the Super Bowl. This is probably Philly.com pisses me off. Marcus Hayes is a douchebag. We know that. He's a racist. But there we go. Back to that. There we go. Look at that. It's beautiful. Love you. Peace out. Go Birds. Next year, 2019. Is that 18 or 19? I guess it's 18. And do it again. Sláinte.